Talino, samahang pinatatag ng panahon.
Tuloy sa paglakbay sa malawak na bukas, harapin at mag-iwan ng wakas.
Pangarap ay di na imahinasyon, tumingala, oras natin ngayon.
Tumingala, oras natin ngayon.
Abot ng tanglaw ay palawakin, ani ng tagumpay, sigaw natin.
program shortly. Kindly switch your mobile phones to silent mode and observe proper decorum throughout the ceremony. Thank you.
A pleasant afternoon to our distinguished guests, university officials, faculty members, proud parents, and most especially our outstanding students. Welcome to Bicol University Tabaco Recognition Day 2026, a celebration of excellence, perseverance, and achievement. Anchored in the theme, values-driven workforce, digitally inclined lifelong learners. Today, we honor individuals who embody not only academic brilliance, but also character and commitment to lifelong learning.
To formally begin, may we all rise for the procession.
Please welcome our awardees.
welcome the dedicated faculty members and teaching staff of Bicol University, Tabaco. With great honor, please welcome our Bicol University Tabaco Dean, Professor Ronel Arjuneda Sr., our beloved Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Borres, and our guest speaker.
Please remain standing for the entrance of colors.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Let us remain standing for the opening prayer to be led by Professor Maria Corazon R. Collantes, Faculty of the Fisheries Department, together with selected nursing students.
by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pains that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart. All my days, all my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord.
Heavenly Father, we come before you today with grateful hearts as we gather to celebrate this Recognition Day. We thank you for the gift of wisdom, perseverance, and strength that you have bestowed upon our students, guiding them through challenges and leading them to this moment of achievement. Lord, we acknowledge that all success comes from you. You have been our source of inspiration in times of doubt, our comfort in moments of struggle, and our light in the pursuit of knowledge. Today, we honor not only the accomplishment of our students, but also the dedication of their families, mentors, and teachers who have journeyed with them. As members of academic community, guide us to continue striving for excellence, not for personal glory, but for the betterment of our society and for the service of our nation. May the achievements we celebrate today inspire to use our knowledge and talents to uplift others and contribute to common good. All this we ask in your most holy name. Amen.
You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life, all through my days. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Lord.
Everyone, you may now be seated. To formally open this meaningful event, may we call on Professor Ronel Arjuneda.
Sana kansa indang biyahe. The recognition that you're going to receive this afternoon is just part of your journey. This is not yet your destination. Your destination is right out there sa luwas kan university. Kaya at this juncture, gusto ko po na agyaton giraray ang satuyang mga magurang na padagos tang giriyahan ang satuyang mga aki. Day tasinda pagtawaan ning false hope na sinda dakulo na medalya, dakulo na certificates, dakulo na merits na reswi sa university, sigurado na ang sa indang maray na puturo. Bako po yan ang katotohanan. Dahil ang tunay na agyat sa buhay, kan sisay man sa saro sa to, iyoan yaon sa luwas. Yaon kung paano kita makilaban sa agyat sa panguroal daw na buhay. But while they are still here with us, as part of our academic functions, we wanted to affirm and to recognize these students in affirmation of their accomplishments academically. Some may be in sport, some may be in leadership, some may be in other areas. We are recognizing them because they were exemplary performing their task on their selected areas of expertise. We just hope that when they go out of our portals of this university, they could use all these skills, all this confidence vis-a-vis the wide range of challenges we have around us. We don't want our students to become part of ruthless growth. In 1996, there was that 1996 report of UNDP called 1996 Human Development Report. And they highlighted 3 types of growth. Ruthless, negative growths to ha, ruthless. Yung bang walang pagpapahalaga. ROOT, ugat, ruthless. Ito yung mga growth na isinasantabi na natin ang ating identity, ang ating kultura, ang ating tradisyon. Hindi na natin kinikilingan kung anong ating pinanggalingan. Meron ding isa pang growth na ni-report, yung report na yun in 1996. Ito naman is ruthless growth. R-U-T-H, ruthless. Ano naman ito? Ito yung walang pakundangan, walang pakialam, may mga kinikilingang mga sektor na pinapaboran lang, talamak ang poverty, inequality is high. Ayaw natin ito. We wanted our education to be holistic so that students, kahit hindi na-recognize during recognition activity, but are imbued and empowered with the appropriate skills, attitudes, and interpersonal relationship skills. Yun ang role, isa sa role ng State University. So at this juncture, gusto ko lang pong linawin from the end view of the Bicol University, some of these people will be graduating. Some will still be with us the coming academic year. Our hope, and we just pray that we would be more effectively performing our task in leading these students in partnership with the community, with the parents, leading these students to become more holistic, develop well-rounded personality, and skilled, confident to face challenges of real world. Maray na hapon sa Indugabos, as in welcome sa Recognition Day for the 2026 Cambiu Tabaco. Diyos maray sa aldaw sa Gabos.
Thank you, Dean Juneda. At this juncture, may we request the chairperson of the Nursing Department, Professor Maria Teresa C. Madrileos, to introduce our guest speaker.
To our beloved Vice President of Academic Affairs, Maria Julieta B. Bores, to our supportive Dean, Ronel Juneda Sr., to Associate Dean Sheila Bustamante, department chairs, faculty, non-teaching personnel, proud parents, students, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is my distinct honor and privilege to introduce our distinguished alumnus who will serve as our guest speaker for this year's Recognition Day. His remarkable professional journey reflects excellence across multiple disciplines. He successfully passed the midwifery licensure examination in April 2004, the nursing licensure examination in June 2006, and most recently, the Philippine Bar examination in September 2025, demonstrating his unwavering commitment to lifelong learning and professional growth. His academic achievements are equally inspiring. He earned his Master's of Arts in Nursing from Camarines Sur Polytechnic College in year 2009, where he was awarded Meritissimus in Oral Revalida. He later obtained his Doctor of Philosophy in Public Administration from Bicol University Graduate School in 2020. In 2024, he completed his Juris Doctor degree at University of Santo Tomas Legazpi College of Law. Beyond his academic and professional accomplishments, he has distinguished himself as a leader in research and education. He is a two-time national winner in research presentations, recognized as Best Oral Presenter in year 2013 and 2014 at the University of Northern Philippines and Vigan City. His passion for knowledge, generation, and community service is evident in his work as university researcher, educator, and extensionist. At present, he serves as Associate Professor 2 and has been the Nursing Department Chairperson at BU Pulangi since 2018. Under his leadership, the department has achieved remarkable milestones. It has become known for its consistently high passing rates and the nurse licensure examinations and producing board top-notchers as a clear evidence of its dedication to quality education and student success. Through his leadership and mentorship, he has helped shape many competent and compassionate nurses who are now serving in various fields. What makes his journey truly inspiring is his ability to bridge multiple disciplines: health sciences, public administration, and law, reflecting a rare blend of compassion, intellect, and unwavering dedication to the public service. His lifelong story is not merely a record of achievements, but a powerful narrative of perseverance, resilience, and purpose. From the host of this very institution to the highest professional milestones, he has shown that the dreams are not limited by circumstance, but are realized through determination, sacrifice, and faith in one's calling. His journey reminds us that success is not defined solely by titles or accolades, but the impact we create, the live we touch, and the legacy we leave behind. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with immense pride, deep admiration, and heartfelt honor that I present our guest speaker, an outstanding alumnus, a dedicated educator, a compassionate health professional, and now a member of legal profession, Attorney Artemio Jerome S. Rivera, Jr.
You may now take your seats, please. Of course, thank you very much for the introduction made by my mentor, Professor Maria Teresa Madrilejos. To our guiding light of academic excellence, our very own, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, ma'am. To the Dean of the Bicol University, Tabaco, Sir Ronel Juneda. To the department chairs, faculty members, proud parents, student awardees, a pleasant afternoon to each and everyone. I never hesitated to accept this invitation to serve as your guest speaker at this recognition day. This is an opportunity for me to reminisce about my time studying in this very institution. The Bicol University Tabaco shaped me as a leader when I served as the College Student Council Vice President, and also sharpened further when I became an officer of Community Health Action Volunteer and Student Nurses Associations of Bicol University. The memorable walls and buildings that always remind me of the academic pressures during examinations. The Lagman Hall, where we were trained in our nursing skills and in our old skills laboratory. And of course, my fear during taking the rigorous examinations that we have to prepare, especially if the venue would be in audiovisual hall. Yung kasi pababa tapos there would be no opportunity to look or glance from one classmate or another. The extracurricular activities that requires hours of sweat to maintain high-level performance competing to other departments. I remember before, the social work department, the fisheries, as well as the education department, they are really very competitive departments competing to the nursing department during our extracurricular activities like intramural. How could I also forget my general education course professors and professional courses that strengthened my confidence in public speaking, analysis, and critical thinking. Thank you very much, my dear alma mater, for the ladders that gave me leadership skills and the discipline that made my previous and present accomplishments possible. Those were my memories being a college student and being a millennial. At this point in time, I presume that most of you here belongs to Generation Z. Am I right? So, Generation Z probably characterized to be as tech-savvy, fast learners, inclusive, multitaskers. However, Generation Z is often characterized as weak, described as prone to depression, quick to resign, and vulnerable to dishonesty. These perceptions have led some sectors of the global workforce to view today's youth as a liability rather than an asset. Research shows that nearly 60% of managers perceive Gen Z as having a poor work ethic, and in 1 out of 10 employers admit that they are less likely to hire them due to perceived lack of professionalism. Additionally, the education sector has raised concerns about the irresponsible use of technology. There is a notable skewness in academic achievement. with the unprecedented increase of awardees, that is a challenge to the traditional statistical expectations. These points have brought a dual crisis that we have to analyze. A systemic failure, first is the systemic failure in the evaluation, and a character issue in which the artificial intelligence is used not as a tool for development, but a replacement for genuine human analysis. Studies published by Frontier Education and the UNESCO revealed that while 83% of students use artificial intelligence, a significant proportion rely on it for shortcut solutions, thereby circumventing the critical thinking necessary for mastery. As a result, the integrity and the capability have become not only a virtues, but also most pressing issues of our era. Academic dishonesty is not an isolated problem. It underpins broader societal issues such as corruption and the inequitable distribution of power. Individuals who now occupy positions of wealth and influence were once students themselves. Many normalized cheating, remained silent in the face of manipulated truths, and hesitated to stand alone for what was right. Research and the ResearchGate and the NASSP demonstrate a direct correlation which the students who engage in academic dishonesty are significantly more likely to violate workplace ethics and policies in their professional lives. May isang kwento ako na gustong i-share po sa inyo. May isang guro na nagbigay ng isang eksaminasyon sa silid-aralan. The moment in time na tinawag yung professor, doon nagkaroon ng opportunity yung mga estudyante para ilabas ang kanilang notes from their pocket. Is it happening? Probably yes. No? I went through of that particular environment also. Now, there was a certain one student who was not able to, who really hesitated to put out the notes kahit alam niyang babagsak siya. At ganoon nga yung nangyari, siya ay bumagsak. And years after of that examination, yung bata na yun, yung estudyante na yun ay naging engineer. No? There was a certain situation in his workplace that there is a certain offer to shortcuts those details in the architectural design or, I do not know, the engineering design, for the reason that there must be a shortcut or savings of money of the government. Naalala niya yung pagsusulit na yun. Pinili niya yung integrity na hindi niya kunin yung notes sa kanyang pocket at piliin na lang bumagsak rather than gumawa ng hindi tama. And on the same situation, he chose not to sign for a shortcut intervention, but rather proceed for what is ideal, resulted of saving many lives, that instead of building to collapse, the building did not collapse and served for several years. And I leave it to you, my dear students, my dear awardees. Would it be what kind of leadership you want to become? Would it be the other side or the other way? Now, the lesson from this story is both simple and profound. It is about the character that is defined by action, taking one who is watching. Although technology offers shortcuts and society often rewards outcome over process. Your most valuable asset is not your general weighted average, but your internal moral compass. Success achieved without integrity is structurally unsound. It may endure temporarily, but it cannot withstand the demands of professional and national responsibility. By choosing to keep those notes in your pocket, you are not merely passing the test, but you are developing the courage of our nation urgently needs in its future leaders. To move the labels of liability and weakness, it is essential to examine the empirical data on this generation's success. Research from Deloitte and company identifies a very important three key traits shared by most resilient members of the Generation Z. Sabi sa research, there were 3 identified traits that this Generation Z would like or usually practice to survive of the pressure. First, it is the metacognition versus memorization. In an artificial intelligence-driven world, knowing how to learn is more valuable than knowing what to learn. By prioritizing critical thinking or analysis over mere output, you may remain as indispensable. Psychological safety and support. High-performing young professionals excel in environments that prioritize mental well-being. And the third, the values alignment. Generation Z is particularly motivated by purpose. Data indicate that individuals who align their professional activities with their personal ethics, similar to the engineer that earlier narrative report, have a higher levels of workplace engagement and ethical resilience. To our academic awardees, congratulations. Your discipline, perseverance, and commitment to excellence have earned this recognition. Wear this honor with humility and use it wisely. At the same time, I would like to recognize the silent fighters, your classmates, those whose names may not be appearing to the program or to the list of awardees. This includes the students who balanced part-time work and late-night studies, the scholars who persevered through difficult subjects with honesty and determination, and the individual who chose integrity even when it meant falling short of recognition. Your efforts, my dear student awardees, may not be measured by medals or certificates today, but they are reflected in the strength of our character. Growth is not always seen in awards. Often, it is found in a quiet perseverance, resilience, and the courage to do what is right. To all our student awardees and the silent fighters alike, your journey reminds us that true success is defined not only by recognition, but the values you uphold, the discipline you practice, and the person that you would like to continue to become. These qualities will shape you not only as learners, but also as a future leaders and builders of our society. A pleasant afternoon, and again, congratulations to the student awardees. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Attorney Artemio Jerome S. Rivera Jr., for a truly insightful, inspiring address. We are incredibly grateful for sharing such a meaningful and inspirational message today. Let us give Attorney Rivera a resounding round of applause. To express our gratitude, may we call on Professor Maria Teresa C. Madrilejos, together with Dean Ronel Arjuneda Sr., and Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, BPAA, for the presentation of Plaque of Appreciation. The citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University of Tabaco, Tahi, Tabaco City, award this Plaque of Appreciation to Attorney Artemio Jerome Rivera Jr., PhD, in grateful acknowledgement of his distinguished and invaluable contribution as guest of honor and speaker during the 2026 Bicol University Tabaco Recognition Day with the theme Values-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined Lifelong Learners, given this 8th day of May 2026, held at Bicol University Tabaco, Tabaco City, Albay, Philippines. Signed, Ronel Arjuneda Sr., Dean.
Thank you very much. At this point, may we call on our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, for her congratulatory message.
Now I'm taller. To the father of BU Tabaco, Professor Ronel Juneda, and the mother, the Associate Dean, Dr. Sheila Bustamante, the program chairs, especially to Madam Madrelejos, who is, I suppose, the in charge for inviting our guest speaker. Program chairs, Madam Marcel, and the rest. Our guest of honor, who is a proud alumnus of BU Tabaco, a successful nurse now, a new member of the legal profession, Dr. Attorney Artemio Jerome Rivera. Palagpakan ulit natin. The strong force of the teaching and non-teaching personnel, dear parents, and the very reason why we are here in this gymnasium, our dear honorees, isang maalab na pagbati sa inyong lahat. I know that while listening to our guest of speaker, all of you here have been inspired. And maybe you were dreaming too of one day becoming one speaker to also given the chance to inspire honorees like you. This is a season when we hold recognition programs in various colleges. And I think this is my last stop since last week. As we do our recognition in Tabaco, the College of Engineering is also doing their own college recognition. It's just unfortunate that our dear President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres, could not be physically around to join in the celebration for a very valid reason. But nonetheless, after I have delivered my congratulatory message for you, I shall be reading a specially written message for all of you coming from our beloved President. And so I'd like to begin by congratulating each one of you for being here. For the past 10 months, I know that you did have different struggles as college student, isn't it? Your being here could mean the many lunch, dinners, or breakfasts that you had to skip in order to pass a rather challenging requirements given by your strict professors. Those are struggles and silent battles that you had to fight. Probably juggling academic demands and that of personal. We do not know how many students joining us in this celebration who are also working part-time to sustain college education. I am not a stranger to the stories of our students in Bicol University, considering that not all of you here are from the same province. Some are from other regions. Some are from other provinces. Most are staying in the boarding houses, and we know the struggle of these students. Times when the allowance from the parents or relatives or benefactors are delayed, you have to strategize. And so those are the silent battles that you have to fight. And that is the representation of the medals and the certificates that you will be receiving as achievers. Your medals are not only the representation of academic excellence, but most importantly, it's a representation of your strength of character, your strong spirit of choosing to always showing up, of choosing to succeed. And for that, you deserve a big round of applause. You are not here because you passed your teacher's difficult examinations and you aced the difficult and demanding requirements, learning assessments given by your professors. But rather, you are here because you passed one very important test, and that is life's test. My dear achievers, you are not simply representing yourself here. You should be very proud of yourself, for I know along your dreams, you also represent that of the hope and dreams of your respective family. And maybe not only of your family, but of the entire clan. You also represent your community, where you come from. You also represent the teachers who never stopped nourishing you, who never stopped believing in you, who never stopped caring for you, and probably extending consideration to some of your lapses. And so, because of this, you are here. Being a college student nowadays in these most challenging times is not easy. A lot of pressures, challenges, demands are always there to put your character and your spirit to test. You belong to an era where you are subjected to so many factors that may affect your mental health and your well-being. Factors that sometimes will put you to test to the verge of giving up your academics. You are the digital natives, as we call you. And because of that, you are also subjected to a lot of the digital noise that affects your well-being. According to Philippine Psychiatric Association, 1 out of 3 students, particularly those belonging to the age between 18 to 24, suffer from depression, anxiety, mental health issues. Probably some of you here suffered from the same, but may not just be so open in discussing this for the fear of what we call stigma. 90% of students, college students, Filipino college students, according to data, use social media. Social media is a very good platform. It strengthens, it makes connectivity, establishing relationship possible. However, your exposure to this platform may also trigger mental anxiety, depression, and so many other issues because of your unintentional comparison, comparing yourself with those you see on the social media. But that's just the realities in the world that you go around. In one study conducted in the United States, between 2026 to 2030, most of the jobs will be shifting. Most of the jobs will be redefined, and some will be outphased and outdated because of the very fast transformation, particularly in the technological development aspect. And one trigger of that is, of course, the integration and the adoption of artificial intelligence, which affect almost all facets of the life of the people. But for those who are into healthcare services, social services, education, most of you here will not be much affected by that because what will be required in your profession will always be the tender, loving care that only human beings can provide. itry kaya kayo ninyong makipag-usap ng inyong nararamdaman sa isang robot kung wala ba naman na empathy and sympathy makukuha kayo from a machine. And so, nonetheless, sabi ng study, most of this job will be outdated. In this challenging times and the competitive world that you will be joining, take note, the data said 2026 to 2030, jobs will be shifting, will be updated. That's exactly the era, the period that you will be joining as professionals. And so, what is the implication of this data to you? Be ready. Be prepared. Knowledge and skills will not be enough for you to thrive in a competitive world and in a continuously shifting and evolving world. There are more important skills that you need to develop, need to harness, and continuously embrace. Some of those were mentioned already by the previous speakers, starting from the dean to our guest speaker. Mas importante man giraray ang values. Values, Filipino values that most of you or some might consider as old-fashioned, pakikipagkapwa-tao, sipag, tiyaga, bayanihan. These are values that are very important for you in order for you to thrive in a challenging world. And so you continuously embrace them. Take note, my dear BUenos, at the foundation of the three other pillars that represent our institution, leadership, service, character, at the foundation of this is character. Leadership, service, and scholarship, the foundation of these three is character. Continuously to embrace these ideas. As I said, the workforce will continuously evolve. Some works will be outdated. Other than you being knowledgeable, skilled, and values-driven, there is still one important skill that you should commit yourself to, and that is the willingness to always learn. The willingness to ask questions and stay curious about the world. The willingness to adapt. That is what we call being a committed, lifelong learning. The theme this year's in this recognition is very timely. It is not just a slogan, but rather it is a life's strategy. Commit yourself to that. Being a lifelong learner doesn't mean always enrolling in totally new programs structured, earning another degree. Of course, you may always commit to that, just like our guest speaker who harvested already several degrees from different disciplines, from the health worker, health service, to becoming in the public administration, and now in the legal profession. You can also be like him, a committed lifelong learner. Becoming a lifelong learner does not always mean enrolling in a structured curriculum. You can also enroll in a short-term courses like that offered in Coursera and other platforms. It could also mean learning the new roles that you have to assume assigned to you by your company later on when you become professionals. As mentioned already by Sir Juneda, it's very important that we remain to be values-driven, value-laden. Why? Because the Philippines, this country, does not necessarily need highly intellectual professionals. What this country needs most are professionals who are ethically righteous, those professionals with values, compassionate, ethical, responsible, with social responsibility, That's the kind of professional that this country needs. And we keep on repeating this reminder and challenge to our dear students because you are the future of this country. Seated in this recognition program are our future leaders. You will be the ambassadors of the humanity, and we count on you. We are proud of you, and we believe in you. So may you continue to make Bicol University, your beloved institution, your beloved alma mater, proud of your accomplishments. And as you continuously succeed in life, whether as a student and as a professional later on, may you continuously carry your accomplishment and your success with humility and purpose. At this point, I'd like also to share my warmest congratulations to our dear parents, the wind beneath the wings of every achiever seated in this gymnasium. My dear scholars, how about a big round of applause to our dear parents? We thank you for always giving your support and tirelessly to your sons and daughters. Kayo ang totoong partner namin sa edukasyon nitong mga estudyante namin. So once again, I'd like to end my message to you with my sincerest and warmest congratulations. Continue to strive harder, continue to persevere, always be faithful to the ideals of Bicol University. Carry the brand of BU, Tatak BUenyo, Tibay BUenyo. Maraming salamat. And may I now read the message of our beloved President. Don't worry. I think may click lang naman ito. So this is now the message of our beloved President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinabres. To our Dean, Associate Dean, our guest speaker, members of the ASMEL administration, distinguished faculty, staff, students, honorees, parents, and guests, good afternoon. Today we gather in recognition not only of achievements, but of the values and principles that sustain our university community. This program, with its theme, values-driven workforce and dignity-inclined lifelong learners, reminds us that true excellence is measured not only by the skills and accomplishments, but by the character and dignity with which we live and serve. A values-driven workforce is the cornerstone of a strong institution. It is a hallmark of a university for humanity. It is through integrity that we earn trust, through resilience that we overcome challenges, and through compassion that we create meaningful impact. At Bicol University, we believe that education is not confined to classrooms. It is a lifelong journey of learning, guided by values that shape us into responsible citizens and leaders. To our honorees, your recognition today is more than a celebration of success. It is a testament to your commitment to uphold values in your work and in your lives. You inspire us by showing that achievement is not only about reaching goals, but about pursuing them with honesty, responsibility, and respect for others. To our faculty and staff, thank you for embodying these values daily and for modeling dignity in both teaching and service. To our parents, guardians, and benefactors, thank you for striving to give better options to your children, our students, who are able to reach this day because of your sacrifices and generosity. To our students, may this recognition program encourage you to see values as your compass, guiding you toward meaningful careers and lives of services. As we honor today's achievers, let us always renew our collective commitment to building a workforce that is competent, values-driven, and dignity-inclined. Let us embrace lifelong learning not only as a pursuit of knowledge, but as a way of living with integrity and purpose. In doing so, we strengthen our university, our communities, and our nation. Congratulations to all our honorees. May your example continue to inspire us to live by values that uplift, empower, and transform, always driven for humanity and in the service of humanity. Jus Mabalos, the message of our beloved President. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Boris. We now proceed to the most anticipated part of today's program, the presentation of awards to our outstanding students. This award recognizes excellence in scholarship, leadership, and service. May we call on Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris, Dean Ronel Arjoneda, and Attorney Artemio Jerome S. Rivera for the presentation of award. To begin, we proudly present the most outstanding college student to Mary Anthony M. Macalinaw, Bachelor of Science Social Work 3. Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Tahi, Tabaco City, award this plaque of recognition to Mary Anthony M. Macalinaw for his meritorious achievement as Bicol University, Tabaco, the most outstanding college student for academic year 2025-2026. Given this 8th day of May 2026, during the 2026 Bicol University Tabaco Recognition Day with the theme, Values-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined Lifelong Learners, held at Bicol University Tabaco, Tabaco City, Albay, Philippines. Signed, Ronel Arjoneda, Sr., Dean.
In addition, the Outstanding Student in Scholarship Award is also presented to Mary Anthony M. Macalinaw, BS Social Work 3, in recognition of her exceptional academic excellence. May I read the citation? Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Tabaco, Tahi, Tabaco City, awards this certificate of recognition to Mary Anthony M. Macalinaw for exemplifying academic achievement as outstanding student in scholarship for the academic year 2025-2026, given this 8th day of May 2026 during the Bicol University Tabaco Recognition Day with the theme, Values-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined Lifelong Learners at Bicol University Tabaco, Tabaco City, Albay, Philippines. Signed, Professor Ronel Arjoneda Sr., Dean.
We also recognize the following students who have demonstrated exemplary leadership, integrity, and responsibility within the academic community. The following are the Outstanding Student in Leadership Award. Leia Angeline B. Binyas, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Mathematics 3. Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Tabaco, Tahi, Tabaco City, award this certificate of recognition to Leia Angeline B. Binyas for exemplifying academic achievement as outstanding student in leadership for academic year 2025-2026, given this 18th day of May 2026 during the Bicol University Tabaco Recognition Day with the theme, Values-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined Lifelong Learners at Bicol University, Tabaco City, Albay, Philippines. Signed, Ronel Arjoneda Sr., Dean. The same certificate is hereby awarded to Agel Jairus B. Cabadato, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Science 2 student.
The Outstanding Student in Service Award is also presented to Leia Angeline B. Binyas, BS Ed Mathematics 3, in recognition of her dedication to service. Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Tabaco, Tahi, Tabaco City, awards the certificate of recognition to Leia Angeline B. Binyas for exemplifying academic achievement as outstanding student in service for the academic year 2025-2026. Given this 8th day of May 2026 during the Bicol University Tabaco Recognition Day with the theme values-driven workforce, digitally inclined lifelong learners at Bicol University, Tabaco City, Albay, Philippines. Signed, Professor Ronel Arjuneda, Senior Dean.
We now recognize the outstanding college-based organization. The first award is presented to Bicol University Tabaco Education Club for being the outstanding college-based organization. The organization is under the guidance of their advisor, Professor Geraldine S. Brizuela. Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University Tabaco, Tahi, Tabaco City, award this plaque of recognition to Bicol University Tabaco Education Club for its meritorious achievement as Bicol University Tabaco most outstanding college-based organization for academic year 2025-2026. Given this 18th day of May 2026 during the Bicol University Tabaco Recognition Day with the theme Values-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined Lifelong Learners held at Bicol University Tabaco, Tabaco City, Albay, Philippines, signed Ronel Arjuneda, Senior Dean. In addition, Bicol University Tabaco Education Club will also receive the following awards: Best Organization in Community Involvement and Best Organization in Intracurricular Activities. May I now read the citation? Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University Tabaco, Tabayhi, Tabaco City, award this certificate of recognition to Bicol University Tabaco Education Club for exemplifying meritorious achievement as best organization in community involvement for academic year 2025-2026. Given this 18th day of May 2026 during the Bicol University Tabaco Recognition Day with the themes Values-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined Lifelong Learners at Bicol University Tabaco, Tabaco City, Albay, Philippines. Signed, Ronel Arjuneda, Senior Dean.
Kindly please stay. Kindly please stay.
We also like to recognize the advisor of Bicol University Tabaco Education Club, Professor Geraldine B. Brizuela. Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University Tabaco, Tahi, Tabaco City, award this certificate of recognition to Geraldine S. Brizuela for exemplifying exceptional leadership, unwavering guidance, and dedicated service as advisor of Bicol University Tabaco Education Club, outstanding college-based student-based organization, academic year 2025-2026, given this 18th day of May during the Bicol University Tabaco Recognition Day with the themes Value-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined Lifelong Learners at Bicol University Tabaco, Tabaco City, Albay, signed, Ronel Arjuneda, Senior Dean.
At this point, we also recognize the Bachelor of Science in Fisheries Organization as the best organization in week or day celebration, particularly for its outstanding implementation of the Fish Conservation Week. The organization is under the guidance of their advisor, Professor Beniljan A. Arevalo. We would also like to recognize the advisor of the Bachelor of Science in Fisheries Organization, Professor Beniljan A. Arevalo. In behalf, we would like to call in Professor Maria Corazon R. Colliantes, one of the faculty members of the Fisheries Department.
Thank you very much. To give a message on behalf of the awardees, may we call Mary Athany M. Macalinaw, Most Outstanding College Student.
A pleasant afternoon to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris, our Dean, Sir Ronel R. Gineda Sr., our Associate Dean, Dr. Sheila B. Bustamante, our College Student Affairs and Services Coordinator, our Honorable Guest Speaker, Attorney Artemio Jerome S. Rivera Jr., our department chairpersons, faculty members, staff, proud parents, distinguished guests, and most especially, my fellow student awardees. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the student awardees today. Looking around, I know that every recognition we receive carries a story behind it. Stories of pressure, sacrifices, unfinished tasks, sleepless nights, self-doubt, and quiet perseverance that no one else really sees. And I think that is what makes this moment meaningful. Because today is not simply about awards, it's about the journey that shaped us on our way here. As BUenyo students, college taught us more than the lessons inside our classroom. It taught us how to adapt, how to keep going even when things become overwhelming, and how to grow in a world that constantly changes. In a generation surrounded by technology and endless expectations, it becomes easy to focus only on our achievements and productivity. But this year's themes reminds us that success is not only about becoming skilled or digitally equipped. More importantly, it is about becoming the people who are guided by values. Values-driven workforce, digitally inclined lifelong learners. I think those words describe who we are continuously becoming. Because being digitally inclined means learning how to adopt, innovate, and move with the changing world. But being values-driven means remembering our humanity while doing so. It means carrying integrity, compassion, humility, and kindness whatever life takes us. And I believe that is what truly shapes us as BUenyo students, not just our academic achievements, but alas, the character we built in the process. Yes, there are days when everything felt so exhausting, days when we question ourselves, our abilities, and whether we were still doing enough. But somehow, we keep showing up. And maybe growth does not always happen in big moments. Sometimes, it happens quietly, in surviving difficult days, in choosing to continue despite fear, and in learning how to believe in ourselves little by little. And along the way, we also found people who become part of our growth, friends who become our support system, classmates who made difficult days a little bit lighter, and people who reminded us of our worth during moments when we struggled to see it ourselves. Because sometimes the people we meet become part of who are we becoming too. Earlier, our resource speaker said something that really stayed with me from the story that he shared. Your greatest achievement is not your general weighted average, but your internal values. I believe this reminds us that while academic success is important, the values we carry, such as kindness, humility, and perseverance and integrity, are what truly define us as individuals. And I think that is something we, as students, truly understand now. Learning does not stop after today. Recognition is not the destination. This moment is simply a reminder that growth is continuous and that we still have so much ahead of us to learn, experience, and become. To our professors, thank you for guiding us not only academically but also personally. Thank you for reminding us that education is not just about producing competent individuals, but responsible and compassionate ones as well. To our parents, families, and loved ones, thank you for the quiet sacrifices, the understanding, the patience, and the support you gave even during moments we failed to express how difficult things were. A recognition like this may bear our names, but it also belongs to the people who helped us reach this point. And to my fellow students, I hope we never measure our worth not only through awards, titles, or achievements, because some of the strongest people I know are those who continue despite the struggles nobody else knows about. What matters most is not only what we accomplish, but the kind of people we become while pursuing our dreams. Today, take pride in how far you have become, because every award received here is a reflection of your sacrifices, perseverance, and quiet battles that no one else fully saw. You earned this moment, but beyond the recognition itself, may this serve as a reminder that you are capable of becoming even greater than you once believed. Let these awards not only celebrate what you achieved today, but also remind you of your potential, strength, and future that still await you beyond this stage. Congratulations once again to all awardees. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you, Ms. Macalino, for that heartfelt message. Let us now be delighted by an intermission number by Eliza Joy E. Blanca, BS Ed Science 2.
See it, the dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My fate is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gonna keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's a climb. The struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah. Just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's a climb. So pretend. Always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep on moving, keep climbing, keep the faith, baby. It's all about the climb. Keep the faith, keep your faith.
Thank you, Ms. Blanca. We now proceed to the presentation of academic awards. The academic award recognizes students who have demonstrated outstanding academic performance.
May we call in our guest speaker, Attorney Artemio Jerome S. Rivera Jr., together with our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, our Dean, Professor Ronel R. Juneda Sr., and our Associate Dean, Dr. Sheila B. Bustamante, to award the medals and certificates.
Our Presidents and Dean's List, second semester, school year 2025-2026, first semester, school year 2025-2026. Graho Hazel Ann F., BS Fisheries. Macadat Sophia Marie R., BS Fisheries. Bobier Ashley Nicole B., Bachelor of Science and Entrepreneurship. Caldino Blessy Joy D., Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. Basilia Jake T., Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. Buendia Nathaniel B., Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. Bobby Cedric B., Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. Juliet Sheena May P., Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. Fabular Elisha Claire A., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Bea Marie Mariel T., Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. Paglinawan Rice B., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Belardo Giancarl C., Bachelor of Science in Fisheries.
Senate President's List, second semester, school year 2024-2025. First semester, school year 2025-2026. Barcebal Nicole K.C., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Borbe Christian J.C., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Binyas Maria Celestine C., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Baranda Kristen R., Bachelor of in Science and Entrepreneurship. Bodoraya Ellie Jane G., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Copino Mark J.B., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Borlagdan Queenie S., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Brondo Jacqueline B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Bonaopra Wilfredo Jr. V., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Seneta Rodolfo Jr., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Chavez Micaela E., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Oray Roy C., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Almonte Ana Mea C., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Basaliote Joey B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science.
Canicola Roslyn P., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Bunao Cecil C., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Kalitisin Christine Jade, Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Bungayan Cynthia Amor B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Bobis Aaron Cedric, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Siat Princess Neil A., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Karinan Eric M., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Sineta Maria Joshel T., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Candano John Benedict L., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Lanon Gail Noren C., Bachelor of Entrepreneurship, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Hernandez Maria Gwyneth G., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Boncacas Raymond J. B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Bukog Daniel P., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Benitez Maui Angel, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Borlagdatan Kristen C., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Bungao Aprilline Shane P., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science.
Brondial Vanessa B., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Brohan Jovan G., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Kamatoy Nessie B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Carilo Antonio S., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Clamucha J. Alfred B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Enano Victor Neri L., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Dolar Sachi C., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Bungalbal Shirley B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Logo Annabel C., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Borser Elaine Hart B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Chodisho April Joy B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Cabria Christine Nicole B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Bariso Lenny J., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Leander Monet B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Barbadillo Eunice R., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Abrera Maxine K.G., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Gonzaga Glyza B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Golgota Edeline R., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Thank you, Attorney Rivera, Dr. Boris, Professor Juneda, and Dr. Bustamante. Now may I request Dr. Corina B. Orden, Chairperson of the Education Department, Professor Ami M. Mirandilla, Chairperson of the Entrepreneurship Department, Professor Maricel V. Abrigo, Chairperson of the Social Work Department, and Professor John Michael B. Yula, Program Chairperson, Food Technology Department.
Dean's List, second semester, school year 2024-2025, first semester, school year 2026-2027, 25-2026. Bisco Romar B., Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. Barbacena Esther Hadasa B., Bachelor of Science in Food Technology. Fernandez Jumel B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Barameda Ivan A., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Landes Princess Jaira B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Kindao Nika B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Africa Noelin S., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Credo John Carl C., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Kasaul Catherine B., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Saliente Tiffany Jill M., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Gwen Gail Andrea B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Bonete Elaine V., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Cardaño Ian Augustine B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Shelo Eliza P., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Sineta Janric C., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Belga Rowena B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science.
Cansilao Ivy B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Velasco Princess Jane C., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Angguring Jamela D., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Base Karel GNT, Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Bihino Bernadette B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Mula Diana, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Jolata Leslie Ann D., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Datu John Ray A., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Sistina Christine M., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Andaluz Racy O., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Cabria Emart Joseph B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Riley Eden B., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Boneo Bernadette B., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Borser John Lawrence B., Bachelor of Science in Food Technology.
Brosola Angela B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Barsaga Julian R., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Buban Cyrus J., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Vibal Alfred V., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Barceliano Rica Jane C., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Santa Ana Laika B., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Batalia Justin Josh, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Joaquin Cora Mona B., Bachelor of Science in Food Technology. Banyares Clarence B., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Borsal Azalea B., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Canale Kian C., Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Ladipe Hazel C., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Dugayo John Eric C., Bachelor of Science in Food Technology. Bonaobra Kyle Amico C., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics.
Diaz Jeruben S., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Belardo Hannah May B., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Belgar Jasper D., Bachelor of Science in Food Technology. Almoradji Jamila A., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Vilanya Rachel Jane C., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Makalinaw Mary Anthony M., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Borlaza Aleth Faith M., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Bolilan Hannah May B., Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Bueza Darlene C., Bachelor of Science in Food Technology. Batalier Eira S., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Calio Mark June S., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Hermosura Eliza May G., Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Bigata Julie S., Bachelor of Science in Food Technology. BU Kersali Clarice C., Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Thank you, Dr. Erden, Professor Madrelejos, Professor Abrigo, and Professor Yula. May we invite Ms. Amelita B. Bilono, Administrative Officer, Professor Maria Teresa Madrelejos, Chairperson, Nursing Department, Professor Amalia B. Broncano, Guidance Coordinator, and Professor Christian Cabiles, Production Coordinator.
So instead of Professor Maria Teresa Madrelejos, I'd like to invite here Dr. Cherry Lantican to award the certificate and medals.
Dean's List, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Bunao, Nilo B. Benvenuto, Leslie V. Boliosa, Mary Claire B. Conde, Vincent Nestor C. Si Perez Sidley Ann C. Risa May N. Buena Obra Ronel C. Bales Jomar B. Araujo Nicole B. Belgar Justin D. Balmas Judel D. Fujimura Hiromi B. Bualoy Damency C. Monte Alegre Mitch M. Belio Ruth S. Romano Ralph Moinching B. Coderes John Ray A. Casco Charles Ian C.
Bosque Janet N. Crisostomo Sara Ann F. Borlagdan Anna May B. Torotoro Colleen Jane D. Martiliano Chelsea May B. Bupan Mika Jane D. Vergara Joran B. Basilan Rhea B. Mayor Shira May R. Toledo Dexter P. Soria Trisha May B. Padesio Daniela B. Nabor Adrian R. Martiliano Noela F. Lozano Avin Kester L. Espayos Daniela B. Dorado Roxanne M. Dayawon Paul Matthew B.
Tapulang Rhea B. Celestial Jasmine B. Caldino Dylan B. Borcero Julius Cesar C. Ronya John Denver B. Buton John Marvin C. Bukeo Michael Shane B. Bigcas Michael Angelo B. Batalier Isabel B. Balila Riven M. Ayapana Ariel C. Abriol Geraldine S. Abrera Daniela S. Binisa Raisa B. Kobo Pauline Kirby G. Alim Eliza Kim B. Barcela Lenny B. Lucanas Jade Lance Q.
Barnido Regina B. Rodriguez Kyla Daniel B. Iliurimo Daisy Ann. Bueno Hannah Marie P. Sereno Janessa Irish A. Bungat Kim Brian B. Salazar Jaden B. Bunagua Marl Ariel B. Cypress Mika Jane S. Ranyola Mariel Joy B. Bitas Laika May B. Brescia Joey C. Lagatus Joniela May T. Vasquez Nicole Shane. De Guzman Denise C. Bio Karen B.
Barcenas Raymond B. Bukio Mark Ryan S. Bursay May B. Bobier Danilin C. Frejoles Clarimay B. Canielas Eileen A. Barba Mackenzie Dane B. Saudiste Jelaine B. Labalan Joyce Lorraine N. Fernandez Marianne Kate B. Colipano Sheena C. Bon Rose Ann R. Bolilan Vincent C. Vincent. Brosas Justin Clyde L. Aplacador Christian C. Bustamante Gerardine Alexandra. Británico Charlene B. Belo Sofia Eleni C.
Onrubia Cleo Ann E. Liabore Mary Grace S. Esquiliador Donita Rose B. Carale Leanne B. Maceda Carl Joshua. Barcelo Kathleen B. Bungalos Jasmine B. Bobis April. Colina Rona May C. Mulato Vian D. Butchal Denver B. Brutas Adrian R. Brul Leia May L. Bien Kathleen Claire C. Beruela Shelo L. Beniza Kyla B. Belga Joanna Marie B. Behino Saraline B.
Barberan Waynelin B. Barasana Gerald B. Crisostomo Ana Maria Helena F. Bondoy Eva C. Boss Pamela Jane B. Boral Abigail P. Cao Al Francis M. Cesno Sheena M. Binyas Dayan Marie B. Simanya Marvin Jr. Bongat Christian Rupert B. Cruzada Daniel Joy C. Pagaduan Ashley O. Daigo Angelica B. Paz Jansin Peter S. Isguera Hans Gian B. Brillantes Pionalyn D. Manankil Krishna Nicole G.
Villania Haley B. Kakilala John Zild C. Barbosa Melody M. Almoguera Jerilyn N. Liangco Aliyah Shanil C. Floralde Shobi Arabella B. Borjal Sheila May N. Bea Jeffrey D. Morco Christian Jones C. Borlagdan Jilan Francesca B. Lopez Eliza Jean B. Biron Gladen Grace B. Cantor Kimberly D. Bue Annie Rose C. Bugtong Lara May R. Rosales Camela Joy B.
Marbella Jethron B. Flores Mariel S. Imperial Carol Grace G. Mary Gwen B. Llamas Alex Alexis Nicole. Benitez Marleth Faye B. Vasquez Abigail C. Parpan Princess Rysel B. Aquino Jomar B. Cruzana Casey C. Lucica Alison B. Basaliote Angelo B. Marquez George Kendrew J. Bermas Dia D. Garde Daniela C. Pura Janeline E. De Mesa Catania V. Santos Pamela Joy G. Polon Hannah Rose P. Agustia Elizor Jr. E.
Thank you, Professor Cabiles, Professor Broncano, Dr. Lantican, and Ms. Bilono. Now, we would like to call in Professor Maria Corazon Arcolliantes of the Fisheries Department Professor Alvin B. Mayo, Alumni Coordinator, Professor Joseph Braun of the Education Department, and Professor Zaira G. Batalier of the Entrepreneurship Department. Dean's List, first semester, school year 2025-2026. Bornelia Jeremy N. Burse Jean F. Moros Christine Kate A. Dakpano Grace P. Cruz Bernadette B. Brutas Maybelline B. Cargullo Gwyn Julian B. Toldanes Kim Angela P. Turalba Jade Christy A. Gonzaga Renante Jr. B. Cascante Mary Joy C. Kasaul Julie Andrea B. Cardiño Mary Grace R. Kamasis Sandy B.
Welia Alvin Jr. L. Bron Wella Lynn B. Buton Jade Monique V. Borlasa Lawrence Dave B. Borbe Baby J. N. Bonnet Lisette B. Bongkodin Jeniaya B. Bio Johnber A. Barbacena Alea Jane B. Balidoy Mark Jetty D. Antiquera Lois Bianca M. Enciso Maria Teresa F.
Diaz Daisy C. Kate Michael Jordan B. Calio Sheila May N. Bumbuhay Myra B. Balasta Abigail B. Balingbing Carlo B. Binyas Jerry May B. Brizuela Lou Jake M. Coordinete Claire Yvonne C. Solis Giselle C. Villamonte Alona C. Volante Heaven Carl M. Lucila Bea Cassandra L. Cansilao Kirby B.
De La Cruz Charlie Dave T. Warde Gian Carlo de. Paraiso Joyce Carey C. Boko Raisa Angelica Yu. Bragai Sarah Joan J. Briones Joshua C. Balana Gwyneth Iris A. Libuna John Lloyd B. Regalado Chris Angela L. Bertis Romel R.
Baria Edlin Jane C. Consina Abigail May B. Largado Riza May G. Calleja Blossom Kate M. Oblivias Michael C. Magtangop Kylie Patrice O. Tan Riza Jean C. Bola Jel Ann B. Cano Maylene Leona C. Talier Jeremy M. Malaga Jet M. Sirwales Romer S. Sapiter Zaira G. J. Ekalmir Charles William I. Camu Camille C. Boling Shane C. Sanchez Ashley Rose B. Broncano Lori Jane A. B. Javen Peter B. Bien Jeanette C.
Aben Carmina Pearl A. Espinilla Mabringin Joy M. Buena Vista Rian Catherine M. B. Llarena Denise C. Cope Sheena May B. Shabiniya Aubrey Grace B. Bonaobra Wayne Vincent B. Bilando Henry Rose M. Nabor Nicole Antoinette L. Dakuya Francis O. Borlagdatan Jambi S. Gianan April Shane B. Bilanghel Monique B. Banyadera Kimberly R. Sia Ian Vincent. Bilanghel Hannah Kim M. Malageno Jar Mark B. Si Reza Rick AJA. Cantor Clarissa Joy G. Limon Janine C.
Requentina Nelson Daniel B. Montañez Altea May B. Avila Tracy D. Shelo Mori C. Cardano Janine C. Basquinas Jmar B. Mercado Criselia May N. Ibay Giselle C. Baroga Andre Joy T. Bungao Crystal Kristen M. Bolo Jernen Jr. A. Base Lerma B. Molin Danica B. Daculio Arlene Joy. Cuerdo Maria Divina S. Broncano James Nathaniel B. Borlaza Irish Faye B. Brito Maria Alexa C. Vasquez Jamie Rose N. Lupango Glyza Angelica B.
Kanyutal Alea May R. Calyada Sabria Janelle B. Yulin Jomelin O. Consuelo Angelica A. Dos Nicole France M. Canyeta Vincent B. Lim G and Andy B. Abeliano Jessamy D. Canale Divina Gracia B. Codillo Sai T. Borlagdan Gwen Alaina A. Montano Iglesia M. May M. Del Mundo Michelle O. Bermas Risa B. Boringot Stephen B. De la Cruz France May B. Bigueras Maximus S. Villamor Michael Dave E. Abogado Nasel B. Mirabuena Aleli B.
Casitas Mark Nick C. Bedis Maria Darlene B. Barsibal Ella May B. Brosa Neri May. Basmayor Kimberly C. Belmonte Beverly B. Detablan Aimee I. Red Darwin John B. Climaco Maria Joy P. Banyadera Josa B. Balance April Joy F. Candaza Alexa May C. Broncano Eileen B. Bercasio France Marie M. Demana Sara B. Lego Angel Lauren B. Binalingbing Maria Carmela B. Orozco Jamer Shane B. Tumalad Precious Kyla V. Cuebillas Karen Joy C. Broncate Janelle N.
Belga Carl Alvin B. Añonevo Gerald R. Vinalia Florentino Junjun B. Casitas Queen D. Braga East Crismon Dave B. Negro JRC. Claudio Mary Isel C. Chavez Roman Liton B. Linton. Roque Helena V. Miralo Maricar B. Clet Cristel May B. Canalda Maria Lourdes. Duca Kimberly Shane I. Ikio Jobert F. Balbalosa Dayan Marie B. Caparino Domari Joy R. Benitez Gloria B. Bayola Altea Joy M. Maduro J. Ann B. Manankil Kiara Sophia G.
Sid Edward C. Magalona Riza May C. Bungalon Cleo Marie T. Evora Elodie Angel M. Bonafe Marife Hera V. Azarcon Luis Daniel A. Bilo Mika Janine O. Consuelo Precious C. Jerusalem Janice Margaret B. Burak Odessa B. Aldave Angela C. Beher Francis Lawrence B. Benoyo Hans Daniel B. Maximo Jamel Eliza May. Rasay Graciel B. Dumagin Micaela Angelica B. Binyas Jamela P. Altiche Fatima Salvacion A. Diaz Meryl B.
Saturnino Athena Marie R. Ortiz Dean Joshua D. Cortuna Lexter Jan M. Besuela Ruby Jane B. Bolima Genrex A. Monte Alegre Divine D. Navarro Christine Rosel. Bindal Nicole Angela D. Sachuela Ivan Carl C. Noliel Renel Ali B. Guerrero Nicole B. De la Torre Christian J. B. Camanya Janice M. Bismonte A.G. Marie C. Moises Pimela B. Batalier John D. R. Seed Suzette B. Billian Micaela Rain B. Bendanya Eloisa May B. Ruiz Eliza T.
Contigno Val Hero B. Pasis Angel S. Medjana Henry James C. Bibal Nina Nicole B. Coral Roxanne N. Villagomez Abigail D. Fresnido Jasmine Lorraine G. Bustamante Kim Hill B. Bueza Janelle May. Barameda Jinsel L. Behino Justin Marie B. Nacario Maria Isabel B. Binlayo Kenis Justin M. Bueno Jasmine M. Belaro Joanna Marie O. Bordeos Nika Paula R. Miralo Marie K. B. Valenzuela Sandy B. De Los Angeles Irish D. Bunagua Jermaine G.
Lou BGF. Bihino Andy B. Basaysay Jose Reden B. Borito John Patrick V. Bobbies Venice C. Sibilieta Jeric C. Bonaobra Dennis Jr. L. Santos Krista Ann B. Lorico Aisarea Micaela B. Bonifacio Raisa C. Corigal Aaron K. Tep. Bobiles Mariel P. Yorka Gwenly May L. Nocos Kurt Stephen D. Madrid Kate M. Coral Jan Axel L. Bigtas Risa B. Bendicio Shane Iris B. Avila Aljamar Rahim L. Corbilia Bianca E. Abion Ira T.
Coral Jonas B. Volante Christine Jean C. Carilo Jerlene B. Bilaro Jeremy T. Manzanilla James M. Jelone Ken Matthew A. Cuate Angelo B. Villaseñor Sara S. Biscocho Alexandra Nicole M. Kasaul John Adrian B. Deliesa Vanessa. Carpio Stephanie Kate D. Calusor Jean Angela B. Bilan Jeremy C. Borlagdan Hannah S. Blancaflor Sydney Cleo B. Bordeos Irish Jane B. Bonaobra Shane B. Chavenia Shane S.
Ruel Lemuel John P. Banyal Raylan Ken Q. Gayon Alea B. Buen Princess Rayadel B. Benny Kyla C. Silendonio Ariant Hit R. Clapis Maureen R. Golinco Christian M. Cesar Christine B. Rosa Juliet B. Brutas Bea Dayan M. Galyanosa Ashley Nicole O. Hendrano Generos B. Bungalon Irish B. Llames Dominic A. Breeze Racimiel T. and Madrilejos Pleshy Jane A.
Thank you, Professor Collantes, Professor Mayo, Professor Batalier, and Professor Braun. To our dear students, kindly go back to your seats as the ceremony is not yet over. Thank you.
Next, we present the Dean's Citation Award, honoring individuals who have excelled beyond the classroom and brought pride to our institution. May we request Dean Ornel Arjuneda to be assisted by Attorney Artemio Jerome S. Rivera Jr. and Glenda A. Ablela, PhD.
Also, may we request Professor Ian Chris R. Buban.
Ma'am Glenn, dahil na. Okay. Ikaw na ba kumang?
Let us begin with our most outstanding athletes. These students have demonstrated excellence not only in academics, but also in sportsmanship and athletic performance. The award is presented to Janelle Belardo, BS Nursing 3. The same award is also hereby given to Nicole A. Bertilio, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Science 1.
We now recognize our board placers in licensure examination for remarkably achievements have brought great honor to Bicol University, Tabaco. May A. Bonavente, 9th placer, 2025 Social Work Licensure Examination. Wala. Okay. Vince C. Buenvenida, 7th placer, 2025 Fisheries Professional Licensure Examination. Joanne B. Buen, 9th placer, 2025 Fisheries Professional Licensure Examination.
At this point, we acknowledge our winners in prestigious competitions. Wilfredo V. Bunaobra Jr., Rank 3, Secondary Education Category, 2026 Search for Outstanding Student Teachers of Region 5, organized by the Philippine Association for Teachers and Educators, PAFTE Region 5. Another citation award is hereby given to Wilfredo V. Punoobra Jr., as the most outstanding 4-H member of the Philippines, 2025 regional and national winner.
Your dedication, perseverance, and excellence have truly paid off. We are proud of your outstanding accomplishment.
Let us once again give our awardees a well-deserved round of applause. We now proceed to the recognition of our leadership awardees, students who have exemplified dedication, integrity, and excellence in service through their leadership roles.
First, we recognize our College Student Council officers who have demonstrated outstanding commitment in representing the student body and initiating meaningful program for the college.
May we call on our College Student Council officers to please come forward as your name is called. Leadership awardees, CSC officers. President, Wilfredo B. Bonaopra Jr., Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in Science, 4. Vice President, Christine Rosel Navarro, BSN 4. Secretary, Raymond J. B. Boncacas, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in Science. Treasurer, Leia Angeline B. Binyas, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in Mathematics. Auditor, Adjel Jairus B. Cabadato, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in Science. Business Manager, Adrian Jan Borihon, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship 3. PIO, Elona Kate B. Blancaflor, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship 4. Representatives, Jasper D. Belgar, Bachelor of Science in Food Technology 2. Justin D. Belgar, Bachelor of Science in Fisheries 2. Catherine B. Casaul, Bachelor of Science in Social Work 2. Mariel Joy B. Ranyola, Bachelor of Science in Social Work 2. Hazel Ann C. Bongalos, Bachelor of Science in Nursing 2. Advisor, Professor Syra G. Batalier. Kindly stay on stage after receiving your awards for a group photo. Also, a certificate of recognition will be awarded to Professor Zaira G. Batalier. We now proceed to our leadership awardees from department-based organizations, DPO, and college-based organizations, CBO, particularly the presidents who have led their respective organizations with vision and purpose.
May we invite all DPO and CBO presidents to come forward as their name is called. Human Welfare Advocate Club President, Yesha B. Corpus. Bio Tobacco Education Club President, Jacel C. Ibay.
May I remind everyone or the awardees to please stay on stage after receiving your award for a group photo.
Young Entrepreneur Society, Precious C. Consuelo. Student Nurses Association of Bio Tobacco, Jobert M. Bicchio. Philippine Association of Food Technologists, New Chapter, Jan Eric Dugayo. Bachelor of Science in Fisheries Organization, Darren B. Belenso. Campus Ministry Organization, Queen Anne C. Da. Peer Counselors Organization, Azalea B. Borsal. Red Cross Youth Bio Tobacco Council, Althea Joy M. Bayola. NSTP Club, Joyce Ann B. Barquilla. Alpha Pi Omega Delta Iota Chapter, Dion L. Pascual. Student Alliance for Gender Inequality, Megan E. Jimenez. BU Tobacco Sports Club, Phil Robert Ocbina. And National Service Reserve Corps, Agap BU Tobacco, Don Pauline and Deliosa. To all our student leaders, you commit to serve and lead with excellence. Truly inspire your fellow students.
On behalf of the entire academic community, we extend our heartfelt congratulations. Continue to lead with passion, integrity, and purpose. Let us give all our leadership awardees a warm and well-deserved round of applause.
We now proceed to the recognition of service awardee from the Student Publication Editorial Board. These students have demonstrated dedication, integrity, and excellence in campus journalism, serving as the voice of the student body.
We now call on the members of the Student Publication Editorial Board to please come forward as your name is called. Kindly stay until the group photo. Service awardees, Editor-in-Chief, Romar B. Bisco, Bachelor of Science in Fisheries 2. Associate Editor, Geraldine Alessandra B. Bustamante, Bachelor of Science in Nursing 3. Graphics Editor, Divine Grace L. Calya, Bachelor of Science in Fisheries 2. Layout Editor, Charles Lane C. Casco, Bachelor of Science in Fisheries 2. Section Editor, Jacqueline Faith B. Buelia, Bachelor of Science in Nursing 2. Assistant Managing Editor, Tiffany Hill M. Saliente, Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Managing Editor, Pamela Joy G. Santos, Bachelor of Science in Nursing 3. Broadcaster, Kirk Kenneth B. Barbante, Bachelor of Science in Nursing 1.
Layout Artist, Jake T. Basilia, Bachelor of Fisheries 2. Photojournalism, Princess Angel Clotario, Bachelor of Science in Social Work 1. Writer, Joey C. Brisha, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in Science 2. Feature Editor, Christine May B. Bungon, Bachelor of Nursing 2. News Editor, Jerlene B. Carillo, Bachelor of Science in Nursing 2. Literary Editor, Jamila D. Angoring, Bachelor of Science in Social Work 2. Sports Editor, Janet L. Bosque, Bachelor of Science in Fisheries 2. Cartoonist, Matthew C. Bordeos, Bachelor of Science in Social Work 2. Digital Artist, Joshua Briones, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship 1. Technical Advisor, Professor Marby Claire N. Mortega.
A certificate of recognition will also be awarded to the Technical Advisor, Professor Marby Claire N. Mortega.
Your service goes beyond the classroom. You have informed, inspired, and empowered your fellow students through your words and leadership.
We extend our heartfelt congratulations and appreciation to your invaluable service. Let us give them a warm round of applause.
We now present the award to the winner of the recently concluded 2026 Bicol University Tobacco Student Research and Development Forum, given in recognition of outstanding research, excellence, innovation, and scholarly contribution.
Sara Lynn B. Behino and Shelo L. Beruela, development of microplate-based microalgal growth assay for rapid biowaste resource screening. Under the thematic area, Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources, Research category. Advisor, Professor Benil John A. Arevalo. Janelle May B. Adolfo, Joyce Ann B. Buaraw, and Erica May C. Calicasyon. Utilization of pomelo citrus, SPP rind, in the production of a carbonated drink. Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources, Development category. Advisor, Professor John Michael B. Yula. Ariel C. Ayapana and Dexter P. Toledo. Preliminary assessment of the primary productivity of Lake Puhi as reference of its conservation, climate change adaptation, disaster risk reduction management agenda, research category. Advisor, Professor Karen Boots Briñas. Sidley Ann C. Perez and Vian B. Mulato, Biometric Indices and Statolith Morphogeometry of Big Fin Reef Squid Cepiototis lesoniana in Lagunoy Gulf, Climate Change Adaptation, Disaster Risk Reduction Management Agenda, Development Category. Advisor, Professor Ian Chris R. Buban. Nicole B. Araojo and Riza May and Buiza. Evaluation of formalin-induced optical changes in milkfish Chanus eyes in relation to food safety. Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Agenda, Research Category. Advisor, Professor Karen Boots B. Briñas.
Aven Kester L. Lozano and John Marvin C. Bodon. Development of low-cost image-based artificial intelligence system for automated counting of fish fingerlings. Category, Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology. Development Agenda, Development Category. Advisor, Professor Binel Jan A. Arevalo. Salve C. Brusas, Angelica A. Consuelo, Asarea Micaela B. Lorico, hypocholesteremeric effect of gulas semen, leaf extract on Sparduidoli rats. Health and Health System Management Agenda, Research Category. Advisor, Dr. Dennis B. Gogola. Princess Jewel M. De Villa, Mark Julius Lirena, Pamela B. Moises. Development and characterization of calcium-enriched water roll and phytacin from chicken eggshells. Health and Health System Management Agenda, Development Category. Advisor, Dr. Katrina L. Cannon. Ian Agustin B. Cardaño, Romel R. Bertis, Dominic A. Llames. Effectiveness of interactive module in addressing visualization and connectivity concept difficulty in science, inclusive education, and lifelong learning agenda. Research Category. Advisor, Professor Alex P. Kamaya. Wilfredo V. Obra, Raymond J. Boncacas, Development and Validation of Braille Integrated Periodic Table with QR Code audio support as inclusive tool for visually impaired students, Inclusive Education and Lifelong Learning Agenda, Development Category. Advisor, Professor Geraldine Brizuela.
Thank you, Attorney Rivera, Dean Juneda, Dr. Abiwela, and Professor Buban. Again, congratulations to our winners, and may your achievements continue to inspire academic excellence and innovation.
To express appreciation on behalf of the awardees, may we call on Leia Angeline B. Biñas, Outstanding Student in Leadership and Service.
gratitude turns what we have into enough. Before anything else, I would like everyone to do something simple but meaningful. Please turn to the person beside you, tap his or her shoulder, look them in the eyes, and say, "Proud ako sa imo." Because today, more than the medals, certificates, and recognitions we receive, I want every single person here to remember that you should be proud of yourselves. Proud ka dapat sa bawat gabing pinili mong magpuyat para lang matapos ang mga requirements mo. Proud ka dapat sa mga araw na kahit pagod ka na, emotionally, mentally, physically, pinili mo pa rin bumangon at magpatuloy. Proud ka dapat sa sarili mo because regardless of how small or big your wins are, the fact that you are still here today means you survived moments people never even knew you were struggling with. And that alone is already something worth celebrating. To our Bicol University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, to our Dean, Professor Dioneda, to our Associate Dean, Dr. Bustamante, to our College Students Affairs and Services Coordinator, to our Honorable Guest Speaker, Attorney Artemio Jerome, to our Department Chairpersons, faculty members, staff, proud parents, guests, and to my fellow awardees, a pleasant afternoon. With a heart overflowing with gratitude and a dream that continues beyond the stage, it is truly an honor to stand before you today on behalf of all the awardees in scholarship, leadership, and service. I am Leia Angeline Diñas, a third-year BS Ed Math 3 student, and today I stand here deeply humbled and honored as one of the awardees. Today is not just a celebration of achievements, it is a celebration of journeys filled with silent breakdowns nobody saw. Journeys filled with sacrifices that were never posted online. Journeys filled with moments where we questioned ourselves, compared ourselves, doubted ourselves, but still choose to move forward. As students, we often think recognition is the destination. Akala natin kapag may award ka na, saka mo lang masasabi na successful ka na. But the truth is, this moment is only a reflection of everything that happened behind the scenes. Behind every award is a student who cried because of pressure. Behind every recognition is someone who sacrificed sleep, comfort, time, and sometimes even themselves. Behind every achiever is a story people will never fully know. And standing here today, I want everyone to remember this. Your struggles do not make you weak. They make your victories meaningful. I learned one of the most important lessons of my life. Leadership is not about being the best person in the room. Leadership is about choosing to serve, even when it becomes difficult. Service is not about being recognized. It is about showing up consistently, even when no one notices your efforts. And excellence is not perfection. It is growth. It happens in the quiet moments where you decide not to give up. It is choosing to continue despite your fears. It is learning how to stand again
after every exhausting moment. To our beloved Bicol University Tabaco, thank you for becoming more than just a school. You became a second home, a home where students are molded not only academically, but also emotionally, socially, and morally. A home that taught us resilience, service, and leadership with purpose. To our administrators, faculty members, and teaching staffs, thank you for your patience, guidance, and unwavering belief in us. Thank you for seeing potential in students who are still learning to believe in themselves. Thank you for continuously reminding us that we are capable of becoming more. To our CSAC, Dr. Glenda, thank you for continuously creating opportunities for students to grow, lead with purpose. To our Dean, Associate Dean, thank you for your leadership and believing in the capabilities of your students. To the organizations, councils, departments, and student leaders who continue to serve despite pressure, exhaustion, and countless responsibilities behind the scenes, thank you for proving that service rooted in teamwork, encouragement, shared burdens, quiet sacrifices that often go unseen but are deeply felt by the people you serve, by the students. To my CSE family, Ma'am Zai, Kuya Pido, Ate Tin, Kuya Mon, Ate Ilo, Adrian, Adiel, Justin, Jasper, Hazel, Kat, and Marielle, and to my junior counselors, thank you for becoming one of the most unforgettable parts of my journey. Thank you for the sleepless nights, stressful days, spontaneous laughters, shared responsibilities, and countless memories we created together. Thank you. Tanglao will always continue to shine within us. To our fellow students, classmates, and friends, thank you for becoming part of one another's journey. Thank you for your shared laughter during stressful days, the encouragement during difficult moments, and the silent understanding that helped many of us continue even when things felt overwhelming. Some of the most meaningful parts of the college life are not only found in the achievements, but in the people who journey beside us through every challenge and victory. To my BS Admatri, my friends, Kuya Boards, thank you for staying beside me through both beautiful and difficult moments. Thank you for your guidance, encouragement, and belief in my potential. Today, we celebrate not just intelligence, talent, or leadership. We celebrate resilience because surviving college while carrying responsibilities, expectations, and personal battles is already an achievement on its own. And to those who feel unseen or unrecognized, please remember this. Not all achievements are announced on the stage. Not all victories receive medals. But every effort you make matters. Every late night matters. Every attempt matters. Every moment you choose to continue matters. Because every recognition does not define your worth. The real achievements is the person you become throughout the process. To our parents and families, this recognition is much yours as it ours. Behind every successful student is a family who sacrificed silently. Thank you for your prayers, whispered during nights we felt lost. Thank you for the understanding during our busiest days. Thank you for the sacrifices you made just so we could continue studying and chasing our dreams. Thank you for loving us even during moments when we felt we were failing. And most especially to my parents and family, thank you for everything. Every achievement I receive today will always be rooted in your sacrifices and love. As future educators, leaders, professionals, and individuals who will one day serve different communities, may we carry with us not only knowledge, but also purpose. May we become people who inspired others to believe in themselves, people who lead with compassion, serve with sincerity, and remind others that they are capable of becoming more than their fears and doubts. Because beyond this stage, beyond these awards, and beyond this moment, there is a greater responsibility waiting for all of us to become lights in places that need hope, to become voices for those who feel unheard, and to become people who will continue serving even when nobody is watching. Let it change you. Let it scare you, because it will also grow you. And finally, take a moment to thank yourselves for reaching this far. Malayo ka na, pero malayo pa. And that is something beautiful, because it means there are still dreams waiting for you, still lives waiting to be inspired by you, and still greater version of yourselves waiting to be discovered. Before I end, let me leave everyone with this quote. Gratitude is not only the greatest virtues, but the parent of all others. May we continue to live not only with ambition, but also with gratitude. Because awards may recognize who are here today, but gratitude will shape who we become tomorrow. And when this recognition ends, when the applause fades, and when we return to our ordinary lives, I hope we remember this moment, not because of the recognition, but because of the struggles we survived to get here. From the deepest corners of my heart, this recognition is not mine alone. This is for every person who became part of my journey. This is ours. Once again, maraming salamat po, and congratulations to all of us.
Thank you, Ms. Binyas. For the closing remarks, may we call on Dr. Sheila B. Bustamante, the Associate Dean of BU Tobacco.
I know. Hello. Ayun na po. Naglobat po. I know we are all tired and hungry, but this program will not be over until I close it. So bear with me for another 2 minutes. Okay po ba? Okay. A pleasant afternoon to one and all. Before this beautiful occasion comes to an end, let us acknowledge the presence of individuals who have helped turn this moment into a beautiful memory. First and foremost, to our esteemed guest speaker, Attorney Artemio Jerome S. Rivera Jr., for honoring our invitation to deliver his thoughts to this year's Recognition Day theme. Your wisdom ignites the award's passion to aspire to reach for their ideals while keeping their values intact. To the Vice President for Academic Affairs, who unfortunately has to leave early for another important event, Her presence reflects her deep commitment to you, our dear students. She, together with the university president and other university officials, serve as beacons of light, inspiring the whole BU community to pursue excellence in the performance of our functions and remain steadfast in upholding the 4 pillars of our institution. We are grateful to our Dean, Professor Ronel R. Juneda Sr. Your leadership motivates not only our students, but the whole BU community to pursue excellence, BU Tabaco community to pursue excellence and work with accountability and transparency. Also, thank you, sir, for being a hands-on dean. We are thankful to the different working committees composed of both teaching and non-teaching personnel for their hard work and behind-the-scenes drama and efforts which have made this event successful. We express our gratitude to you, dear parents, relatives, and guardians, for your sacrifices which have shaped our students for who they are today. This recognition is yours as much as it is theirs. And to you, our dear awardees, congratulations for your achievement. Your sleepless nights and restless days have brought you to this moment. May this event inspire you to aim higher, dream bigger, and to continue to make a difference. And just like our guest speaker and our BPAA, this recognition day goes also to those students who may not be able to receive awards and medals, but in their own ways were able to hurdle successfully another academic year. May we all please clap our hands for them. Thank you. And above all, to the Almighty and ever-living God, all this glory is all for Him. Thank you, everyone, and once again, congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Bustamante. May we all rise for the singing of Bicol University hymn to be led by Dr. Sarah Jane B. Labarda, Faculty of Education Department.
Thank you, Dr. Labarda. This concludes our Recognition Day 2026. Once again, congratulations to all awardees. Continue to strive for excellence and embody the values of our institution. Good afternoon and thank you.
Please remain standing for the recessional.